Morning. We're going to go over the great butter mystery. Yesterday you finished your cookie lab, and the one mistake that I saw repeatedly throughout class was, how do we find 3/8 of a cup of butter on the sticks? Well, there's two ways to do it. One way was to take your original recipe that called for 3/4 of a cup and find 3/4. On the butter it says that half a cup is 8 tablespoons, so one stick is half a cup. So the original recipe called for 3/4 of a cup, so you needed another fourth. Well, it also tells you on the stick of butter that 1/4 of a cup is 4 tablespoons. So originally the recipe would have needed 12, anything to cut with, would have needed 12 tablespoons. Well, if you cut that in half, what's half of 12? 6. So 3/8 of a cup equals 6 tablespoons of butter. And I know that most of you used 3 tablespoons because you were thinking 3/8 of a cup, I'll just use 3 tablespoons. We had two different measurements and you can't do that. So what you really needed was 6 tablespoons, and that was one way to get the answer. The other way was to use your estimation skills. 3/8 of a cup, it's close to 4/8. 4/8 is half. 3/8 is less than half. You needed something a little bit less than half. So you would have looked at it, half a cup, 8 tablespoons, and thought, well, I'll use 6 or 7. That would have at least gotten you in the ballpark.